Alright, let's dive in. Ever felt that sinking feeling when you realize a chunk of your money is automatically leaving your account, even though you don't need it to right now? Maybe your financial goals have shifted, or you've simply found a better use for those funds. If you're a StashAway user with a recurring deposit set up, you might be asking, how do I hit pause on this? You're not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation, and thankfully, StashAway makes it relatively straightforward to manage your recurring deposits. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly understand why recurring deposits are so popular. They're designed to automate your investment journey, helping you build wealth consistently over time. By setting up regular contributions, you benefit from dollar-cost averaging, which essentially smooths out the impact of market fluctuations. However, life isn't always linear, and sometimes those automatic withdrawals need to stop. So, how do we actually cancel or pause that recurring deposit on StashAway? The process is primarily done through the StashAway mobile app, which is designed for user-friendliness. First, you'll want to open your StashAway app and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the portfolio where you have the recurring deposit set up. You can usually find this by tapping on the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll need to find the specific portfolio with the active recurring deposit. Look for a section that displays your current contribution plan. It might be labeled something like Recurring Deposit, Scheduled Deposits, or something similar. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll likely see an option to edit or manage this recurring deposit. Tap on that. This will bring you to a screen where you can modify the deposit frequency, the amount, or, crucially, cancel it altogether. Look for a button or option that says Cancel, Stop, or Remove Recurring Deposit. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates to the app, but it should be pretty clear. Once you've found it, tap on it. StashAway will likely ask you to confirm your decision. They might even ask for a reason for cancellation, which is optional. This helps them understand user behavior and improve their service. After confirming, you will receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your recurring deposit has been successfully canceled. It's important to note that the cancellation might not be immediate. If your next scheduled deposit is very soon, it might still go through. In that case, keep an eye on your transaction history to ensure the cancellation has been processed. Additionally, remember that canceling a recurring deposit doesn't mean you're withdrawing your existing investments. Your invested funds will remain in your StashAway portfolio unless you initiate a withdrawal. This step simply stops future automatic contributions. If you ever decide to restart your recurring deposits, you can easily do so by following a similar process within the app. StashAway allows you to set up new recurring deposits with your preferred frequency and amount, giving you flexibility in managing your investment strategy. In summary, managing your recurring deposits on StashAway is a straightforward process handled directly within the mobile app. By navigating to your portfolio settings, you can easily cancel or pause your automatic contributions, giving you greater control over your financial resources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.